Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kinngdela right here. It's a new day and a new video. Today I'm gonna share my experience with you during this snowstorm. There was a very huge snowstorm in Salt Lake City today, and as you can see, the roads are bad, very terrible. And yeah, I'm not gonna really talk much. I'm just gonna show you what I went through during this storm. So before we get started, let's get right into the video.
Purchase your tracks today.
All right, guys. Welcome back. So as you can see on your screen, it's me and my mom trying to get a snow off the car so I can drop her off at work early this morning. It was really crazy. There was a section I was trying to get for you guys. I found it very difficult to get out of the driveway. And I don't know, it was really terrible. So I had to go drop her off at work, and then come back and do a lot of work on the driveway by shoveling off the ice and applying some salt and all that. So yeah, so basically that's what I'm going to be sharing with you. So sit back and enjoy the video. But before that, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to also leave a comment in the comment section. And then yeah, if I need to get back to you, I will do that. Alright guys, so not much ado, just enjoy the video. So it took me hell to get out of this place. You could see, I don't know if you could see the tire, the marks on the ground. Yeah, this is the dangerous one. This is the black ice. Yeah, it took me like forever to get out of this snow. And look, it can't even go. Look. And this is woo. So what I need to do is come shovel all these guys this place. I'm gonna do that in a bit. This, if you're not careful, you slip and fall, and that'll be very heading. Yeah. Look. Alright, so guys, at this point I was so tired and I just wanted to go have some rest. So you can see me applying salt to the ground so it will just melt off the rest of the ice. And yeah, so I did that and I went and took a warm shower and I had some sleep. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. I'm really glad I could share my experience with you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, again, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. Also, don't forget to share with your friends. And yeah, I'll see you in a new video. So without much ado, peace out.